begin. In these quiet hours I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. The counter fades, a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every small thing lights the way. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. A quiet laugh, the softest breeze, the world's at peace in moments like these. I sip my coffee, feel the warmth inside, letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play, everything slows down, it's the perfect day. With every breath the calm sinks in, this is where my joy begins. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments life feels new, and all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow. In this gentle time I let everything flow. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, caught in the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments I find my place, in the warmth of the sun, with a smile on my face. Is that only prove? And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this
Iyo! Nakanganga siya sa
Tuhod ko, nakasagad.
train, train! Choo-choo! Hey! Choo-choo! Chugga, 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 choo-choo! Choo-choo! Takbo ka nga, kundi yan nagalaw.
Hindi talaga siya gumagalaw.
Mag-shot ka lang! Ano ba, pababa na tayo, babe?
Huwag yung taas na kami.
Lagi na ako tumingin sa baba.
Oh, lakas ng ano, ng hangin. Mami, ang taas ang taas. Mami, patayin mo yung video. Mami, patayin mo yung video. Ako na. Hinggayin mo yung flash na lang.
Ako na lang.
Hinggayin yung flash.
Ako na.
Yeah! Smile!
Wala ka sticker.
Smile na, dali.
Smile!
Iyo!
Na kayo eh.
Iyo! Iyo!
Ay, hindi pwede, wala ka sticker.
Hindi daw kasama dito. Papagalitan tayo dyan, babe. Dali na, smile! Iyo! Masyado siyang busy. Iyan!
Doon pa yung bilihan ng ticket.
Ay, ganun. Baby!
Sabi niya,
Tingnan dito, Yumi! Oh my God! Hello! Oh my God! Ah! Mama! Ay! Puta kayo! Namimigla ako! Ano isa pa? Oh, hindi ka naman pala natatakot eh.
Nakakatakot pa nga ito eh.
Oo, kaysa dun sa ano. Tapos biglang bibilis. Ayan na siya po.
Kumapit ka.
Hindi ko alam paano ba ito. Yung mga kanto kasi. Umiiyak na ako.
Sige po. Ilang side na lang?
water. Oh, ito. Water. Magpatanggal ng lamig. Ay, wow. Oh, dance. Ay, lupos-lupos ako yan. Hindi ka nahihiya yan. Pag lupos-tunan ng years, hindi mo na mapapasaya ng ganyan eh.
Ay, ano daw ba niya?
Gusto daw niya ng kare-kare. Dance.
Dance na dance. Hello!
Hindi.
Dapa lang siya.
Dapa lang.
Mas tinignan niya ako
Ay,
kung
sorry.
titingin ako sa kanya.
Ay. Dapa lang yun ah.
It's okay.
Dapa lang yun ah.
Ano nga, saya-saya mo pa.
Gusto mo daw kasi siya.